Yo guys, what is going on? Welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to add vehicles into your car dealership. This is what I mean by this is so you can buy and sell these vehicles. So I'm just going to quickly show you a few examples. So I'm going into my car dealer script. I'm going to click buy vehicle and just scroll through a vehicle I want. Say I want the Corvette C7. Yes. And then that means that's what I'm going to show you how to do today. And yeah, then I can put the car up for sale, and it's just going to be around this corner here. Oh, oops. Yeah, it's just going to be right here, and this is proof that it does work. And yeah, alright, so let's get right into the video. So first thing you want to do is go into your database. This is purely database based. This is purely database based. So you need to make sure you have a category made for the model, not the model but the make. So say I'm going to be adding the Audi SQ5. You can see over here. So I'd need to create a one called Audi. So I can just click insert here, Audi. It's got to be all lowercase. This is the name is not what it'll be displayed, so keep it all lowercase. I'm unsure why, but you should have to. And then this is what will be displayed, so the label is what will be displayed. So this is all this. The only thing this one is just for the display, but this one's for the whole database. So when you're adding a vehicle, you'd put this one in, not this one. And then you just want to click go, and then you're done for the vehicle category. But to add in vehicles, it's kind of the same thing, but not really. So what you want to do is you want to type the name of your vehicle. Obviously mine's going to be the Audi SQ5, as you can see here. And then you want to write the model, which is the spawn code. And to get the spawn code, you just want to go to your vehicle file, then handling.meta. Oh, I'm not sure why when we open it. It's already open. Oh, so it's already open. Whoops. Yeah, so you just want to go into your handling file, and it will be right here. Old SQ517. And then that is what you'd want to write into your model. Then you want to find your price, Audi SQ5 price 50,000. I'm going to do 60,000. 70. There we go. And then the category is the name, not the label, so it's all lowercase. And also, if you're going to add a name with Aston Martin, for example, which is like that, you want to make sure there's no space, so just Aston Martin like that. So Audi, there we go, and then you're done. It's very simple, very quick, and yeah, it's a really good thing to learn. And yeah, be cautious. When I would recommend, don't add a bunch of vehicles to your database at once. Because obviously if you have to, it's a lot more painful having to check through every single one rather than spending a bit more time and adding one each, like 2 by 2 each restart, and then finding out which one won't work. It just saves a lot more time in the long run. And yeah, so I will quickly restart my server and show you guys that this does work. Okay guys, just before we go into me showing you that it works, I just want to quickly promote my FiveM server. It's very new, so there's not going to be many players, but I would really appreciate it if you guys could go check it out. I'll leave the Discord link in the description. Thank you for taking a look at it. Okay guys, so I'm now in game, and as you can see, if I just walk up to here, go into the menu, buy vehicle, and as you see it right here, purchase it, yes. Oh, I don't have any more. Oh, there we go. Whereas see, I'll quickly show you that this works. And there you have it. It's all working, everything's good. And yeah, hopefully you guys did come to enjoy this video. If you did and you'd like to see some more, make sure you subscribe and turn on post notifications. And yeah, if you guys want to see anything more like this, so any more tutorials, make sure you let me know in the comment section or by my Discord. I'll leave a link in the description to my Discord and my FiveM server. So yeah, make sure you guys go check them out. Alright, have a good day, guys.